Hi there, friends. Let me ask you something. Have you ever downloaded something on your computer and then thought, well, where on earth did that go? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm here to guide you through finding those sneaky downloads with a little humor along the way. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. All right, step 1. If you're on your computer, look for this little folder icon. It usually looks like a tiny manila folder or says File Explorer if you hover over it. Can't find it? No problem. Look for a search bar, type in Files or File Explorer and click on that. Easy peasy. Now once you're in, you want to zero in on the word Downloads. It's usually listed on the left-hand side or right there in the main screen. Think of it like your junk drawer at home. It's where everything ends up. Click it. And voila! That's where your files are hiding. Pretty cool, huh? But what if you're on your phone? Oh, don't you worry, I've got you covered. On most phones, you want to swipe through your apps until you see one that says Files or My Files. If you don't see it, use the trusty search function. Type in Files, and it'll pop up like magic. Once you're in there, look for, you guessed it, Downloads. Tap it, and there are your files staring back at you. Now let's say you found your file and you're thinking, oh, I'd love to print this. Look for these 3 little dots. Yes, those dots are there for a reason. Click on them and somewhere in that menu, you'll see the word print. Hit it and you're on your way to turning that digital file into good old-fashioned paper. Okay, quick detour. What exactly are downloads? Downloads are just files you've grabbed from the internet, like a recipe or a photo of your grandkids. Your computer saves them for you so you can look at them later, even if you're offline. But here's a tip. Always make sure your downloads are safe. Stick to websites you trust, scan files with your antivirus, and when in doubt, use tools like VirusTotal to double-check. Better safe than sorry, right? And that's it. Now you're officially a download detective. Be proud and go find those files. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And remember, technology is nothing to fear. It's just another tool in your toolbox. See y'all next time.